back to art class with Miss Kris. This week, we're going to draw something that a lot of people struggle at, actually even avoid when they're making art because they're like, oh, this is just too hard. We're going to draw a hand. People also, students, even myself at times, have always been really intimidated by drawing hands and feet. So I'm hoping today that I make this a little easier on you. We're going to draw a hand, and I looked at my hand, and I looked at it like opening my hand, and I looked at it as simply as we're just going to make shapes, okay? And we're going to make the segments inside our hands, and also we're going to think about the lines that our hands have inside of them. Everybody has different lines. It's kind of what makes us unique. But as you can see, when I bend my fingers, we have segments, segment, 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 segment. All our fingers have segments that allow them to bend and move. So we're gonna think about that too when we're drawing the hand, opened up and looking at us. So let's get started with the hand. Today, you're gonna need a drawing pencil, just a number 2 pencil. You're gonna need a blending stick. And then I also have one of these 6B pencils so I can do some shading at the end, and it has an eraser on it. I have a cat here, but the cat is not something you need unless you want a cat to be very distracting when you're trying to draw, like mine is. Oh, there she goes. Thank you, Dean, moving that cat. Alrighty, so let's get started with a hand. We're gonna take this simply into shapes. The first shape that we're gonna make when drawing this hand is we're gonna draw the thumb. And we're gonna draw the inside of the thumb. So we're gonna come on this side of our paper, and we're gonna come about, well, I'd say about right here. And we're gonna make an area that kind of looks like this. This will be step 1. Now I'm drawing an adult hand. Okay, you guys are younger than me, so your hand might look a little different, but I'm drawing an adult hand. Alrighty, so from here, we're going to make a line that comes down right here. Okay. Then we're gonna make a line that comes out like so. This thumb is in kind of a bending motion. And we're gonna come down, bending. Okay, and then I'm gonna stop. And then I'm gonna go up to where I'm gonna start my first finger. So right here, we're gonna kind of make a line that comes across like that. And then we're gonna go up to our pointer finger. So I'm in this area right here. That's gonna go up to make this first finger. So up. Up kind of like that. And now we're gonna start our first finger right here. So I'm gonna come up. My finger's gonna go up in the air. It's gonna curve around. It's gonna head back down. And right about here, we're gonna make a curve. That's gonna join our next finger. Okay, let's keep going. Next finger's gonna come up. Everybody's got different fingers, so I'm just kind of basing this off my fingers. My pointer finger is a little taller than my middle finger is a little taller than my pointer finger. 2 fingers. Let's go to 3 fingers. And then my skinny pinky finger. Come up. This is my smallest finger right here. A little taller than that. A skinny thing. Okay. All right, I'm going to stop right there. So now we have these fingers, but we need to get in our palm. And the palms are a little tricky, but let's try not to make it too scary. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to bend. And I'm going to come out like so, about there. Then I'm going to meet it. I'm going to come around here. And I'm going to come like that. Okay, from here, I'm going to make my wrist. It's going to go off the paper and off the paper. Okay, let's draw. We're going to start drawing the lines. These are the lines inside of our palms. Everybody's got different things going on here. This is the inside of my palm. I'm going to make some lines over here that kind of bend, because this area is bending. Okay, there's some lines that are going to come up here. I'm going to come over here now and finish my palm area. Then I'm going to have some lines that go through my palm. Everybody has different lines. Just like everybody has a different fingerprint. Now we're going to add the segments that are inside of our fingers. There's 3. This is our first segment, middle segment, some lines in here, and then the bottom. This is the area, the lines that show that these areas bend. Okay, and last one. All right, little pinky. I'm gonna have a little segment here, little segment here. I also have some lines that are in my wrist area. My wrist area bends. Okay, now I'm going to leave it at this, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to speed the video up as I go through this hand and I darken it and I add shading. I'm just going to be very loose with it like I like to be, and hopefully by watching you can get the gist of it. All right, we're going to speed things up now. Okay, boys and girls, there's my hand for the day. I did a little shading, used my blending stick, used my fingers too. And I hope you enjoy drawing a hand, and I can't wait to see yours. Hope you have a great week. Take care.